Hi guys, today I show you how to replace the interior map light bulb. The most covers have two clips, which come in here. And two holders. This part is very important. You must put small screwdriver on side of arrows. Do not put on side of red X mark, because you can damage holders. If you're not sure which side is with holders, that's very simple. The side which you press to switch on and off is the side with holders. When you want to put it back, first put it side with the holders. Make sure they are in place. And then push side with the clips. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and if you have any question, write in comments.